Good morning, children. How are you today? This is Ajita teacher. Children, have you ever wondered how a tiny seed grows into a new plant? Let us find out. Seed, as you all know, are produced by plants. They are present inside the fruits. To get a new plant, a seed is sown inside the soil. After a seed is sown into the soil, we add water to it. It also needs sunlight and air. This water is absorbed by the seed and it softens the seed coat. And the baby plant breaks open the seed. The baby plant then comes out of the seed. This baby plant is called a seedling. After the baby plant breaks open, a tiny shoot comes out of it and it grows upwards. This is called the plumule. The plumule grows into the stem and leaves of the new plant. And along with the plumule, a tiny root also comes out of the seed and grows downwards. This is called the radicle. The radicle grows to form the roots of the new plant. And soon the baby plant grows into a bigger plant. Children, this process by which a seed grows into a seedling and then into a plant is called germination. Children, I have a surprise for you. I am planning to grow my own plant. Do you want to have a look? Come, let's start. Children, first I will take some soil and then some seeds. These are mustard seeds. I am going to sow them into the soil. I am going to add many seeds inside. And now I am going to take some more soil and I am going to put it over my seeds. See how I am putting it over the seeds? Little by little I have put all the soil over my seeds. And now I have to pour water. We all know that plants need water to grow. Just like us, we also need water, right? So I am going to pour some water for my seeds to grow into a plant. I have to make the soil nice and moist and wet so that my seed gets enough water to grow. And now I am going to take my pot of soil and seed and keep it out in the sun. So we need soil, seeds, water to grow a plant. Now children, the next day, that is second day, look what has happened. Yes, now I'll tell you about what happens inside the soil. Okay, these are kidney beans or rajma seeds. Okay, and just like we all wear a raincoat when we go out in the rainy season, so also these seeds have a coat. and it is called the seed coat. Let me peel it and show it to you. Slowly, I will peel the seed coat, and this coat is the covering of the seed. It protects the seed and the baby plant which is inside the seed. Okay? This is the seed and this is the covering of the seed. Okay? Now I will keep the seed coat aside and let me try to open this seed. Let's see what happens, children. Yes, can you see that, children? When I broke open this seed, there is a small baby plant inside. Can you all see? Look very carefully. See this? This is the baby plant which is inside the seed, and one is pointing downwards. That is called the radicle, which will grow downwards. Okay, and that's a baby plant. And these two are called cotyledons. Okay? Now, I am going to show you once again the seed coat. Did you see the seed coat? It protects the seed. And now look at the baby plant. Look, can you see it properly, the baby plant? Now I am going to keep both these aside, okay? Yes, the baby plant. Can you see that, children? Wow. Now I'll keep it aside and I'll show you some more seeds which have baby plants inside. Yes, can you see that? Yes, there's a baby plant inside the seed. I'm showing it to you because this is inside the soil and we cannot see inside the soil how our seed is growing, right? And this is the seed coat. Can you see, children? And now it is day 3. And hey, look! Wow! My plants are growing. I can see cute little leaves have come. Can you see, children? The lovely, cute little leaves, green leaves have come. And I can also see the small, tiny stem of my plant. Today is the 3rd day and my plant is already growing. Oh, wow! And yes, I have to pour water for my plants to grow. I have to do this every single day. Only then my plants will grow, right? Now look here, children. This is the root of the plant and this is the shoot of the plant or the stem, and these are the leaves. Can you see tiny little leaves, tiny green leaves? This is again the root which grows downwards and the shoot which grows upwards, and these are the leaves. Can you see that? And today is day 4. And look at my plant. What lovely it looks. It's looking so beautiful. All my mustard seeds have grown into my mustard plant. How beautiful it looks. Can you see, children? I'm sure you also want a plant like this, right? So you can tell Mama to help you to grow your own plant. You must tell Mama, Mama, I also want a plant to grow. And Mama can help you have your own plant. Look at them. Oh, it's looking so beautiful. The roots have gone down and look at the leaves outside. Nice and green color leaves have come out. Isn't it looking beautiful, children? And here I have a periwinkle plant. Children, have a look. This is the stem of my periwinkle plant. Can you see the stem, children? Yes, and these are leaves of the plant. There are so many leaves on my periwinkle plant. And children, look here carefully. What is this? Yes, that is a bud. Can you see, children? This is the bud of my periwinkle plant. It will bloom and what will happen? I will get a periwinkle flower. Beautiful, isn't it looking, children? Yes, I have so many periwinkle flowers on my periwinkle plant. So, you can also grow your own plant. Okay, children? Now have a look at this. You can see exactly how the seed is opening up. Have a look, children, the roots. See how they are going downwards. And there the baby plant has come out of the seed. And look, this is how your plant grows. The roots are going down into the soil and the shoot has come up and it's become into a stem, and oh, we have leaves too. Did you see that, children? This is called germination. Okay? Okay, so now let's revise germination once again. What does a seed need to grow? Tell me, children. It needs soil, okay, water, sunlight. Can you see? Sunlight. So the seed needs soil, water, sunlight, and air to grow. Okay, children? And after a few days, can you see that, children? A small little baby plant is coming out of the seed. Yes, a small baby plant is coming out of the seed. And after a few days, the radicle grows and goes down into the soil and becomes roots. Can you see that, children? And then what comes upwards? Yes, the plumule. And it is growing upwards out of the soil. It is growing upwards. And the radicle has grown downwards and becoming the root of your plant. And see, now the roots have grown into the soil. Can you see that? The roots have grown and now the roots are going down, right, into the soil. These are roots and this is the shoot. It's growing upwards and these are the leaves. Can you see the green leaves, children? And these are the roots inside the soil. And this is the stem of my plant. These are the leaves. And this is the flower. I hope you enjoyed, children, this nice lesson. And when the seed grows into a plant, it is called germination. Bye, children. See you.